Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. This is it. This is it. Check this out. SEC officially admit its failure to inform XRP as a security. Is it a coincidence that this is aligning very, very well to what the Serpent said at the beginning of August when we were talking about a middle of September settlement or potential winning the case? Could it be 10th of September? We're sitting here, we got this in front of us. It is traveling all over the world. It literally came out 1 hour ago. Oh my, oh my. The wallet is running out. This comes out. Coincidence? I don't think it's a coincidence at all. I think this was all planned all along. I think everything that has been happening has been leading up to this moment, and we are as close as you can get to a win without officially being told you've won. We are the marathon runner who's 7 minutes ahead of everyone else, and the finish line is just around the corner. We are close. We cannot celebrate just yet, but we are so close to a win. This can be a win, right? We're talking about settlements. This could be Ripple wins. And I mean that will be an incredible day. An incredible day. I was already gonna celebrate settlement, but a Ripple win, legal clarity, never to be seen SEC again, and SEC can go after whoever they want to go after afterwards because we're done with them. Oh, that's gonna be a sweet day. Jeremy Hogan spoke about it as well, saying, well, that is official, legally admitted. And we look at it, right? Legally admitted. It's beautiful. Take a screenshot. Save it. Save the date. Put it in your calendar. 10th of September, 2021. Monumental day. Monumental day for this case. So good. So good. And if you don't follow Jeremy Hogan on Twitter, make sure you do, right? He's been doing a phenomenal job at keeping us all updated. Now, former federal prosecutor says SEC will go to any length to control the entire crypto space. Well, hate to tell it to you, you guys are doing a really bad job with just one case. You are about to go after someone else, and they have just massacred you all over social media. I don't think SEC is going to have any control over the crypto space in the coming months and years, because there is just way too much corruption going on in there. Way too much. I don't see it happening, and to be honest, right? We don't care. Do what you want, SEC. Just stay far away from Ripple, far away from XRP, and the entire XRP community will thank you for it. Now, Kramer blasts Coinbase CEO over SEC tweets. You can't go to war with the regulators. Kramer, shut it. Shut it. Seriously. Keep out of this, right? CNBC's Jim Cramer. We don't care about you, mate. We do not care about your opinion. Any CEO of their company deserves the right to stand up for what they believe in, Mr. Kramer. That's what that's the entire XRP community from day one that this case was brought upon. That the Coinbase CEO wants to stand up for what he believes in, good on you. We all have the freedom to speak our mind and explain things the way we see them. And if he sees that there's something being done that is dodgy or is not right, why shouldn't he speak up, right? So Kramer, get out of here, mate. We don't want you, mate. We don't want to hear you, bull. Sell or hold. How to prepare for the end of the bull run. Very interesting article. I will go over this in the coming weeks and the coming months. We're nowhere near the end of the bull run, right? But when we are getting close, when it is time, when I will be taking actions and taking profits, you will know about it. I know some of you have asked over the coming months, hey, why aren't you telling us when you sell? And the answer is simple. I haven't. And when I do, what makes you think I wouldn't tell you? I tell you guys everything. So when I sell, you'll be the first to know. In fact, I'll tell you before I even place the sell order, just so you can beat me to it, right? So, but again, it's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. And when I do sell, I'll be telling you specifically why I've sold and for what personal reasons I have sold. It doesn't mean you have to sell, but I will tell you. Of course I'll tell you. I'll tell you guys everything. There's nothing I don't tell you. I literally tell you everything. Now, should Coinbase go to the offensive against the SEC regulatory inquisitions? You tell me. Tell me in the comments. What do you guys think? Should they or shouldn't they? The Serpent's opinion? Hell yeah, you should. Hell yeah. Now, top Australian bank refuses business with crypto firms. 2 Australian banks dismiss criticism of their choice against doing business with crypto companies. Many major Australian companies deny crypto firms. The country continues to steady adoption through lags in process of the industry. Essentially, Australia's behind, guys. Like, Australia is really, really, really behind the 8 ball. Dinosaurs compared to some of the other countries out there when it comes to cryptocurrency. And unless things change, Australia will not take full advantage of this incredible industry. I'm just telling you guys how it is. And Australia weighs the risk. Australia's too conservative. That's just the Serpent's opinion. Again, I'd love to know what you guys think on that particular topic. When we look at Mark Cuban weighs in on the latest SEC action by urging Coinbase to go on the offensive. Good on you, right? So they should, right? I'm in complete agreement here. They should go on the offense. 100% should go on the offense. Absolutely. Now, XRP price climbs 40% in 10 minutes after false relisting alarm. False relisting alarm caused a 14% spike. That was earlier today, right? That was like 12, 13 hours ago. But what I'd mentioned at the beginning of this video, that is as real as they come. That is facts. Absolute facts. And let me tell you, it is going to be a sweet, sweet ride as we climb back to previous all-time highs and then push towards double digits. And I'm going to be right here with you every step of the way. Every step of the way. From a technical perspective here, I like what the Fendark has done here. He reckons, just based on this particular movements that we've been making, $6.50 wouldn't be out of the question. Now, while I agree with you that obviously we will be moving towards $6.50, double digits are on their way. Double digits are on their way. Look at the weekly chart. Look at the weekly close over here. Monster movement is coming, right? Absolutely insane. Now, XRP also SEC opposes Ripple's motion to prove how we test application, right? We don't care about you, SEC. We really, really don't care about you. And we will be so, so happy when we see you gone because you have dragged us for so many months. Like, it'll be almost 10 months. Like, in 13 days, it'll be 10 months of this, right? And we can't wait to get rid of you. Let's jump into a tiny. Let's have a look at some of the indicators. So as we begin to look at the charts and we're looking at the 1 hour chart, right? So we're looking over here and we can see the price action. We went all the way to $1.21 because of obviously the fake news that releasing on Coinbase Pro was happening. We then went as low as 106. We're now sitting at 109 at the time of making this. And so that price fluctuation is really, really critical, right? Because obviously there was a fake news, it went up, and now obviously as soon as that wasn't real, people must have sold or, disappointed and institutions sell. So the fact that we have this 108, 109 for now, and being that we are heading towards the weekend, it will be interesting to see how we progress from here. Obviously, that news only came out an hour ago. Let's see how that news impacts the price right now. Because at the end of the day, we haven't had a settlement, right? We are close as you can get. But we're not there yet, right? But today we've seen all the fruits of what happens when a Coinbase potential listing occurs. When the news that came out from SEC, that this is big stuff. This is this big stuff, right? Now, on the 12 hour, when we look over here, it is all, obviously, right now, all indicators are sitting bearish because of the massive price action that has happened over the last couple of days. But we are, obviously, we got to step above back into the 120, 122 territory, and then go above it, and then cross that 140 again, and then continue to push forward towards 168, which is very, very important and critical step. But right now, from an indicator's point of view, not much there to tell. Let's have a look at some drawings. So as we begin to look at the charts and we're looking at what we're up to, right? I mean, nothing has changed over the last 24 hours, right? We still have the same goals. Get over the line, 168, 189, 220, consolidate above 220 and continue to push forward. And push forward we will, right? The first time that we break the all-time high, we'll probably go to about $4.55. And then from there, consolidate a little bit and then continue to push forward towards the $6.87, where we do believe that there will be quite a high resistance. But that's where a lot of people will be caught out going, great, $6, $7, I'm out of here. No. There's plenty more to come. Plenty more to come. Don't be fooled. Don't be the person that sold Bitcoin at $10,000 for that they were getting a great deal, right? But I'll be here. I'll be bringing you up to that. And again, it's not financial advice, but I'll be sharing with you my thoughts and perspective on what I'm up to and what I think is achievable. What I think is achievable is that by the time we get to December, we will be in double digits. There is no, like, from my research, what I'm up to, what I'm seeing out there, I can't see us not being in double digits. And we zoom out, there are people saying that we will be within $27 to $36 range. I'm not mentioning that at the moment because I've always said that we can get to 14. And of course I welcome 27, but I think 14 is a much more realistic approach to take to, how we're going to end, go towards the end of the year. And of course, there's a number of factors that have to be in that. Now, if we overlay 2017 over what is happening right now, this is what it would look like. So it's not that bad, right? I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, that looks almost identical to 2017, which would give us a little bit more pain for a little while longer, and then we would shoot off out into the stratosphere, and it even goes out of this chart. So history doesn't repeat itself, but sometimes it leaves clues. And I don't know how anybody cannot see that we're going double digits. I don't know. I really struggle with that concept. When we look at how can we move forward and head towards the 450 and all that, we could potentially see something like this, right? We go to 130, maybe, depending on how September goes, right? If we have another market crash, we could go down to 90 cents and then push forward 370, consolidate, and then go above. Lots of factors to kick in and to consider there. But we are ready for the next swing, for the next move, for the next action. And we are prepared for that. And then from here, we'll go, like I said, 260, then consolidate, and then break the previous all-time high, which will be a brilliant day when we break that all-time high. So, ladies, gentlemen, what a video. What a day. What an announcement. What a clarification that we've had in regards to the SEC. I'm going to put that slide in one more time so you can look at it one more time. SEC officially admit its failure to inform XRP is security. Beautiful. Thank you all so very much. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you. And I look forward to see you on the next one.